Welcome to Math with Eden. In this video, we are going to be looking at adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Mixed numbers are numbers that have whole numbers and then proper fraction. So a mixed number is a number that is combined with whole numbers and then a proper fraction. So as you can see, this is a mixed number because it has what? A whole number and a proper fraction. A whole number and a proper fraction. So all these numbers are mixed numbers. This can be solved by changing the fractions from mixed to improper fractions. Okay, but I'm going to use another way. So let us begin. The first thing I'm going to do is to add the whole numbers. Okay, so 3 plus 1. So I'm going to write 3 plus 1 equals 4. And then the second step is I'm going to add the two fractions. So we have 5 over 8 plus 3 over 4. So let us use the butterfly method. The first step is 8 times 4 gives us 32. And then the next step is to multiply the fractions diagonally. So 5 times 4 give us 20. And then 8 times 3 gives us 24. So I'm adding the two fractions. So 20 plus 24 give us 44 over 32. I'm going to divide the numerator by 4 and then the denominator by 4. So 4 divide 44 11 times over 8. So don't forget, this is what? An improper fraction. We can change this into a mixed fraction. So this is going to give us 1 whole 3 over 8. So our next step is we are going to be adding the whole numbers. Don't forget here, we added 3 plus 1 to give us 4. So we also have a whole number here. The 1 is a whole number. So we are going to be adding the 1 to the 4. So 4 plus 1 gives us 5. Okay, we are adding this whole number to this 4, giving us 5. So our final answer is 5 whole. And then write this fraction, 3 over 8. This is our final answer. Let's come to question number 2. This is a subtraction question. So we are going to first subtract the whole numbers. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. Okay, now the next step is we are going to subtract the fractions. So we have 5 over 6 minus 1 over 4. So let us use the butterfly method. So 6 times 4 gives us 24. Now we multiply diagonally. So 5 times 4 gives us 20 minus, don't forget we are subtracting. So 6 times 1 gives us 6. So we're going to be having 14 over 24. So let's divide by 2. Divide the numerator by 2, denominator by 2. So that is going to give us 7 over 12. So this is a proper fraction. So the next step is, let's bring the whole number. The whole number here is 3. So our final answer is going to be 3 whole. And then this fraction, 7 over 12. Let's move to question number 3. We have 4 whole 1 over 3 plus 3 whole 1 over 4. The first step is we are going to add the whole numbers. So we have 4 plus 3, and that is going to give us 7. The next step is we are going to add the fractions. So we have 1/3 plus 1/4. 3 times 4 gives us 12. The next step is multiply diagonally. So 1 times 4 gives us 4 plus 3 times 1 gives us 3. So we're going to be having 7/12. So our next step is to bring the whole number. The whole number here is 7. So we're going to be having 7/12. So if you understand this lesson, I want you to try question number 4 on your own. Don't forget to write your answer in the comment section, subscribe and share.